Did we have some sort of wheel malfunction?
We scared Anderson, I think.
All the new effects are it's kind of stunning.
Isn't it incredible where we put those tens of dollars?
Yes, exactly.
Right into our special effects budget.
Yes, I've never actually seen someone use one of those fire hoses.
That is real synthetic cotton, I'll have you know, Anderson. Unbelievable.
Well, I like that there were people in the Florida there go-go dancing as well.
Yes.
That was good.
And by the way, girls who were teenagers in the 80s, has swimwear come a long way, or is it my imagination? Look how cute their bathing suits are. Do you remember our bathing suits? They were like cut up to here. Do you remember that, like cut up to here? I mean, unattractive on every level. So anyway, lucky girls. That was our trivia dancer, Jennifer Palma from Santa Rosa,
She did an excellent job.
Very cute. Hey. And on the phone today is Linda James from Los Gatos, California. Hey, Linda.
Hi.
How you doing?
Hi, Kelly and Anderson.
Hey, how's it going?
Great, thank you. I just can't believe that I'm on your show. That's great.
Well, we're thrilled that you're on our show. What do you do for a living?
Well, right now I'm retired, so I was with Apple for almost 10 years, so I enjoyed that excitement here in Silicon Valley.
Sure, right. And
so you can go online and send Regis a message.
Yes, I absolutely can, but I'd like to send a message right now that we're all thinking of him and sending him our love and strength, because we know he's going to be great. We can't wait till he comes back.
Oh, Linda, thank you so much. Thank you very much. You are right. This is going to certainly improve his life 110%. And so we're going to spin the wheel and give you a nice prize,
all right.
Okay? Big spin, Anderson.
No,
Great.
it's this, right?
Yeah, that.
All right,
That's
1,
it.
2.
Hey, guess what, Linda? The wheel landed on a SNO-Go, which means you get to choose what trip you would like to play for. What will it be?
Naples, Florida.
Naples, Florida.
Good choice.
8 days, 7 nights. It includes breakfast daily, 2 spa treatments, round-trip airfare courtesy of Delta Airlines. It's a prize valued at $5,300. Now let's see what else you're playing for in addition to the trip. Hey, it's an Ashley Furniture living room and dining room set valued at $2,600. You have 20 seconds and only one guess. Good luck.
All right, Linda. On yesterday's show, Regis and Kelly talked with Rob and Amber from The Amazing Race. On what reality show did they say that Rob and Amber first met?
Survivor.
That's it.
Yay!
Congratulations. You and a guest will enjoy an 8-day, 7-night stay at the exclusive La Playa Beach and Golf Resort in Naples, Florida. The La Playa features luxuries such as championship golf, a signature spa, and waterfront dining for the ultimate beachfront getaway. Visit online at laplayaresort.com. If you're looking to book that next trip around the globe, check out all the new places Delta is headed in 2007. From Dublin to Dusseldorf, Cabo to Copenhagen, the choices are almost endless. For a list of all new cities Delta is flying to, log on to delta.com/new cities. Your prize is valued at $5,300. And Linda, as our SNO-Go winner, you'll receive Ashley Furniture's Cottage Retreat Collection, which brings beautiful detailing and soft country styling together to create a look to enhance any decor. From Ashley Furniture, your prize is valued at approximately $2,600.
Man, this is like non-stop effects here.
It's like your day job, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anderson's day job is reporting from war-torn countries. Perhaps we shouldn't shoot confetti cannons.
Shots behind me is not something I...
Did you see the first cannon went off? I don't know if you in the audience noticed him. Anderson went...
Sorry.
I was like, brace yourself, there's 2 more coming. Hey, guess what, Linda? Now you are eligible for our second chance drawing to win a trip for 4 to the Fairmont Chateau in Whistler, valued at more than $17,000.
Wow.
So congratulations to you. Now you get to help make the day of a lucky member of our studio audience who will receive 8 place settings of Waterford Wedgwood China, valued at more than $500. Just leave it. So please pick a number between 1 and 148.
I'll pick for my daughter and my son's birthday number 13.
Oh, my Lord.
All right. We got a big show with Chris Rock when we return.
Still ahead on Live, Spring Break Week continues in Daytona Beach, Florida. A performance by R&B star Robin Thicke. And coming up next, Chris Rock.